Mindfulness means paying full attention to what is happening right now. It means noticing your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. When practicing mindfulness, the focus is on the present moment, not on the past or the future. Many people live their lives thinking about what happened before or worrying about what might happen next. This causes stress and makes it hard to enjoy life. Mindfulness helps to stop this by bringing the mind back to the here and now. To practice mindfulness, begin by taking a few deep breaths. Feel the air enter your body and then leave it slowly. Notice how your chest rises and falls with each breath. This simple act can calm your mind and body. Next, pay attention to your senses. What do you see, hear, smell, taste, or feel right now? For example, look around and notice colors, shapes, or movements. Listen carefully to the sounds nearby. Maybe you smell fresh air or the scent of food. Feel the texture of the chair you are sitting on or the ground under your feet. Thoughts will come and go, and that is okay. When your mind drifts to other places, gently bring it back to your breath or your senses. Mindfulness is not about stopping thoughts completely. It is about observing them without getting caught up in them. Practicing mindfulness regularly can help reduce anxiety and improve focus. It can make you more aware of your body and emotions. This awareness allows you to respond to situations calmly instead of reacting automatically. You can practice mindfulness anytime and anywhere. It can be during a walk, while eating, or even when washing dishes. The key is to give your full attention to whatever you are doing. Living in the present moment helps you appreciate life more. It makes ordinary experiences feel richer and more meaningful. Mindfulness encourages gratitude and acceptance. In summary, mindfulness is about being fully present in the here and now. It helps quiet the busy mind, reduce stress, and improve overall well-being. By practicing mindfulness every day, life becomes clearer, calmer, and more joyful.